Question: what is the difference between an eye that sees and an eye that aims? The lens and the mirror. In a small workshop cluttered with gadgets sat a young inventor named Theo. The room was dimly lit, casting long shadows over his unfinished creations. Theo wasn't just looking at tools, he was looking at his own frustration. Before him lay a lens and a mirror. For months, Theo had been working on a mechanical arm. He wanted it to perform delicate tasks with precision, but every time he tried, the energy scattered. The power didn't just fail, it bounced off the walls of his creation like light hitting a mirror. "What's the problem?" he muttered. "Why isn't the energy concentrating where I need it?" An elderly inventor named Greta walked into the workshop. She saw the objects on his table. "Theo," she said gently, "I see you're struggling. You're like the mirror right now." Theo looked up, puzzled. "What do you mean, like the mirror?" Greta picked up the lens and held it to the light. "You're trying to see everything at once, but in doing so, you're scattering your focus. The mirror reflects everything, but it directs nothing. You must be like the lens." Theo watched the light through the glass. Greta continued, "The lens doesn't just observe, it aims. It concentrates energy in one direction to make the reflection meaningful." Theo felt a shift in his perspective. He realized his scattered attempts were exactly like that mirror, reacting to everything but choosing nothing. He turned back to his invention. He didn't just adjust the device, he adjusted his mind. He focused all his attention on a single task. He redirected the energy with precision. The mechanical arm didn't just move, it obeyed. The energy no longer scattered, it was harnessed into a single, powerful beam of action. Theo stood back, his heart racing. He understood now. The key wasn't in solving every problem at once, it was in the singular purpose of the strike. The lesson was clear. Observation provides data, but focus provides power. Lesson: to merely observe, the mirror, provides data. To focus, the lens, applies intent, defining the target and ensuring the action has consequence. Attention and singular focus allow us to move beyond mere observation and create meaningful results by applying purpose to our efforts. By focusing our energy in one direction, we can achieve precision and success, just like the lens concentrates light into powerful action.